Once when you get it, and if I can't die with our second, I think we'll come for. I don't like it. I wrote the happiest. Thank you very much. I know they're bad and our fool. I think they have help and now only get better. Just there, him and a pepper barrel in Otoman. You have a walk on this talent to see what Johnson. I'm a chef. Well, because I have blood. And now, hold up. That's a lot. Okay, you follow you. We don't do one now. You know, boss. It's enough. Thank you. If I don't want, Dalun. Fine girl. You have a lot. Oh, look at so beautiful girls of Enugu. You guys to come and take off. You people are, oh, what a shape am I seeing? Is this beautiful baby? You guys are welcome. Good morning, how are you doing? We are in the street of Enugu. Having fun. This is Oba. Oh, there is love in sharing. What are we not doing? I'm Dalunu. I already get better. Just I say anyhow now. Hey brother. Dalunu. And now after now folk. Dalunu. Okay, no. Oh, Tita, no, okay, and I couldn't ever tonight. Get you ever show Casey na Imon. The show was sold out. Mana, I'm full of munding come baffle. When a limon in arrow. A mana fino. My boss, Daddy Fino. None of flavor one, mama flavor. Flavor where sepe. Now, okay, a mana Fabiano ye Casey. Where drug one or the woman. Ever open a Casey, ever open a flavor. Now, if you don't know, Patrick private jet data for data. We are went two people. Why didn't you attend KC show? And now, are we okay, brother? Is there not love in sharing again? Nenugu akaino. Nenugu ka actually pia. I full of you. Okay, I am willing to ask him now. Chineke never go for when you say. And now, a boy, a full of fino. I am Millie, brotherly. Dalunu, I am Millie, waiting Naya Cat, the weather pata. Again, now full of fino. And when you could see a good flavor, a full of me tell in Africa. Where to see, we are went two people. We are went to that two people didn't come and support your brother. Will you people let us to be divided? Why must we be divided if Flavor and Fino did not come Casey show? Why in Enugu? Thank you very much, Fino. Why didn't you come? The show could have been ×2 so that, but you didn't come. Anything that makes you didn't come, brother, forget it. Life goes on. Next time, try to come. Oh, you and Flavor didn't come. We are not happy that two people didn't come. Manasi if I kosi sonya man na niwabra na gino yabra non industry and aja college. But two people could have come because two people are people of Ndai and Negalanya. I'm in Osi Junction and then Enugu people love me. It can only get better. Oh, we are not doing one. And now we put those and